What do you get when you cross a margarita with a possessive man called Thomas? Tommy's Margarita. All right, I'll never be a stand-up comedian, but there are some drinkers out there who like to announce is their drink, or tragically have personalised glasses with their name on, which someone who deeply resents them brought them as a present once. The ingredient lineup: Reposado Tequila, Agave Syrup, fresh lime juice and Saline solution. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of our Reposado Tequila to our shaker. Follow this up with 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of Agave Syrup, and I think this is a sign I need to buy a new bottle. Then add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. The Tommy's Margarita was created around 1987 by Julio Bermejo and was named after his family's restaurant in San Francisco. It's a very widespread drink and you'll see this on tons of menus around the world. Before I offend the cocktail gods, when I make margaritas I like to make them rustic, especially if they're in a double rocks glass with no straining and straight from the tin. If it's in a margarita or a coupe glass, or I'm working with nice clear ice, my logic dictates that I'll double strain them. Then at the end I'm just going to add 2 drops of saline solution to mine and I'm going to give it a quick stir. This step is optional. And lastly, garnish with a lime wedge. The taste test. This is a real winner for me. I love the agave syrup in this one. It's well balanced, Reposado Tequila brings a bit more complexity, and the lime gives the drink a solid structure. It definitely has me thinking about how I'll make my margaritas in the future.